So I'm just going to show you a simple test on a washing machine drain pump. There's a ton of videos out there that show you how to test these things. The main one is testing continuity, where you just take the two electrodes, find your connection, and then you get your continuity test, 15, 16, which is normal. So it shows that the pump is good, but the pump isn't actually removing the water. It's really, I keep getting the ND code on a Samsung front-loading washer, no drain. So here's another simple test. It's a 120 volt motor. You can also see 120 volts, so it just goes into your regular 110 source. So I took a extension cord with for safety reasons, just added a little, it's the switch in it, put a couple of electrical connections. I'm going to plug them in to the motor. Like so, and turn it on. And you can see and hear that the motor's kind of wobbling, and the RPMs are nothing like it should be on a new motor. So that tells me that the pump isn't working and it's not able to take the load of that water and pump it up and out of the drain. So there's a simple test. If your continuity is showing positive, but you need to find out if your pump is actually not working, here's a simple way to do it. Thanks. Okay, here's the same scenario with the new motor and pump. You can see how much smoother this runs. Clicks right on. Full torque. So there's the difference between an old used motor that's not running well and one that's brand new. Alright, still having problems with Samsung washing machine draining. And I've tried multiple things to test the pump, and I just actually replaced the pump. Now what I'm going to do is do a manual override, fill up the tank with just enough water so I can see if it'll drain. And here I've unplugged the original plug and just did a hard wire. I'm just going to plug that directly into a power source and then turn the pump on and see if it'll drain. Okay, so I've got it plugged into a manual switch so I can manually turn the power on and off. So now I'm going to flip the pump, manually override it, and force the pump to come on and see if it drains. So it looks to me like the pump is doing everything it should. It's draining that super fast. You can hear it now, it's empty. Turn the pump off. So I'm getting the ND error code, which is no drain. I replaced the pump because it actually was not doing as well as it should be. And so this is a brand new pump, less than a week old, and I'm getting the no drain error code. But as you can see, once I manually turn it on, the pump works just fine. So the filter's okay, the pump is okay, so now process of elimination, it's got to be something else. Anybody have any ideas, well, let me know. But here's just an idea for you to manually test your pump to make sure it's working without having to buy a new one. Hope this helps you and saves you a little bit of money.